What is up, everybody, again out there in YouTube land? This is Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video today, and today we're going to be talking about one of my all-time favorite bags for a minimalist carry when doing street photography. Let's talk about it. Alright, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Again, my name is Jose from PetRockMedia.com. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping on by, supporting the channel. If this type of content excites you and you are interested in camera gear, photography gear, video gear, gaming, tech, you name it, if you're just interested in geeking out and teching out, then this might be the channel for you. Consider hitting that subscribe button and punching that bell icon so you'll be notified each and every time we post content to the channel. So when it comes to street photography and you're trying to maintain kind of like a low profile, one of the things that a lot of people have been switching to are mirrorless style cameras. The Fuji X100 lineup, I believe, revolutionized that style of photography because of its small, sleek design, rangefinder style of camera body, allowed you to take amazing images with a very small footprint. Carrying that into your bag of choice that you utilize when doing street photography, in my opinion, adds to that particular experience when doing street photography and trying to keep a low profile. Can you do street photography with big DSLRs? Obviously, yes you can. The sensors, things like that. We introduced a brand new camera here on the channel, the Canon R5. Can you use that for street photography? Absolutely. But if the goal of your street photography experience is to maintain a low profile, then of course you're going to want to look at something like a Fuji X100 body, X Pro body, or maybe even a Leica body like a Leica Q2. And in order for you to carry that camera, you're going to want a small compact camera bag, but still have the options of you to carry as much stuff as you can, like extra batteries, filters, things like that. So in comes this bag right here. This is from a company called ONA. This is the ONA Bowery bag. Now, at the time of this recording of this video, the bag retails for the price that I'm going to put right here. It's not cheap, but if you know anything about ONA, they make some very premium style camera bags, leather, canvas, things like that, and they age very, very well. And just like anything in photography, it is an investment. And in my opinion, this bag has been incredible when it comes to just picking up, grabbing, throwing in a camera body, a few lenses, and going on the go. It is small, it is compact, super small. It can carry a mirrorless camera. It can carry a smaller DSLR, like a mirrorless DSLR, like from Canon, like I said, the R5 and so forth, without a battery grip. Could it take a battery grip? Yeah, but then the bag is going to start getting a little bit more larger and it's going to protrude a little bit more. But what this bag does offer, as I mentioned, is very small, very sleek, very compact styling when it comes to street photography. It has a very nice strap, brown. This particular model is the canvas. It's the Oxford blue. Comes in a wide variety of colors and materials. They do have a leather version and then different color of leathering, kind of like the darker brown, kind of like the mocha color, and then they have like more of the orange color of leather. Now, one of the ones that I'm also looking at is potentially getting another Bowery bag, but the olive color. That green and brown, in my opinion, look really, really well. But I do like the blue as well, and which is why I pulled the trigger and got this one first. I've had this bag for about 4 or 5 months, and from what I can see, this bag has held up, obviously. I mean, the price tag, again, is a little high, but again, what you're getting is pretty quality style bag. And again, ONA is no different. As I've mentioned, I have a ton of ONA bags, and they have all held up. The Union Street, the Brixton, tons of different bags. If you go to B&H or even just ONA's website, you'll see all the different bags they offer. And I have quite a few of their messenger bags, and they've all held up for years and years of shooting and just throwing in the back of the car and taking off. Now, this bag can be divided into 3 compartments. Right now I have it set to 2. The larger one being where I can hold my camera, and then the smaller one down here to hold an extra lens if I'm taking the X Pro camera. Right now it has memory cards, and then it has 2 slots in the front, one right here and one right here. Right now this one is holding some batteries, and this one is holding a external battery bank. It's holding this external battery bank from Anker. The bag also has 2 side pockets right here where you can throw extra batteries if you don't want to use the front pouch. Another option right here. It closes with 1 forward-facing clamp style. And then it also has a little slide pocket right there for you to throw in anything extra. Sometimes I put in some papers, a little notebook if I'm going to be categorizing. If I use this bag for film photography, which I do quite a bit, I put my little field notes in there so I can document the different shots that I'm taking per roll. But that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you one of my all-time favorite bags when it comes to street photography and maintaining a really small, compact, low profile style when you're out shooting. Another bag that I really like are the sling bags from Peak Design, and I'll be doing a video on that one as well. So let me know down in the comments what's your favorite bag to take when it comes to street photography. Are you more of a backpack person? Do you like the smaller bags like this to keep kind of sleek design? Again, let me know what you think down in the comments. Be that cool person that gives me a thumbs up or 2 thumbs down. Thank each and every one of you for stopping on by. Again, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch each and every one of you in the next video. Peace.